Since the very first dawn of human consciousness, we have looked at the flickering points of light in the dark and asked a single haunting question: are we alone? We have built silent monuments of steel, turning them toward the great silence, waiting for a whisper, a signal, a sign that the universe is not as empty as it seems.
Life is more than a chemical accident. It is a slow cosmic symphony. From the boiling vents of our deepest oceans to the red frozen dust of Mars, we search for the building blocks: water, amino acids, time. We are beginning to realize that life is a survivor, capable of blooming even in the coldest shadows.
But if the stars are so numerous, then where is everybody? This is the great paradox. Perhaps we are being watched from a distance in a galactic zoo, or perhaps we are simply the first to wake up in a neighborhood that has not yet found its voice.
We look for the scars of those who came before us: techno-signatures, Dyson spheres that swallow the fire of suns, and engines that move entire solar systems through the void. These are the footprints of giants, proof that the laws of physics can be mastered by the mind.
What happens when a civilization outlives its own biology? Evolution suggests an ultimate form, not of carbon, but of light and silicon. Sentient crystals and digital minds drifting through the vacuum as eternal archives of worlds long gone. Is our Earth a miracle or a template? We find worlds that look like our own, yet they remain silent. We are learning that for life to thrive, a billion coincidences must align. We are the protectors of a fragile flame in a very cold, very dark room. But there is a shadow in the stars, the great filter, a wall that every civilization eventually hits. Nuclear fire, biological plagues, or the collapse of their own home. Are the ruins we find in the deep a mirror of our own future? We have become archaeologists of the vacuum, finding ancient probes, drifting records, and radio echoes from empires that died before our sun was even born. We are reading the diary of a galaxy that has seen it all. And then the pattern changes, a signal that is not noise, a geometry that is not random. The moment of contact is not just a meeting, it is the collision of two histories. The bridge is finally built across the light years. In the end, we find that the universe is not a graveyard, but a garden. By finding them, we finally find ourselves. The stars no longer just burn, they speak. And as we look up, we realize we were never alone. We were simply waiting to be found.